Hi everyone, how are you? I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil. Today I will talk about how to apply to US universities from India. Those looking to pursue higher studies from abroad generally prefer going to USA. However, students are not aware of the appropriate application process for applying to universities in USA. The application process will be the same for most of the universities. However, there must be a separate element for the application process for each of the universities. It varies between different study programs and levels. Before applying, students should know when to start the application process to US universities, when are the deadlines, what are the intakes for US universities, when a student can go for the studying there. These are some of the important things which students should know before applying to US universities. These are two main intake seasons of US universities, fall and spring. Unlike India, universities in the USA follow a big semester system where an academic year is divided into two semesters. Students should decide which intake season they want to choose, fall or spring. Those students who are planning to go to pursue undergraduate or graduate level courses should know the timeline for coming intake. These vary between study programs and levels. For each course, Indian students will need to meet a minimum English language requirement. Along with that, a minimum academics record of 65% and above for humanities stream in class 12 and 70 to 80% and above for science, commerce and other streams in class 12 will also be required. If we talk about foundations and diploma programs, these are available for students who have secured below 60%. The students should have completed 18 years of age before joining a degree program. It's also important to note that these numbers are just for reference purpose. The actual numbers may differ from university to university. Now, I will tell you which documents need to be submitted. Attested copies of the mark sheets of class 10, class 12 and the bachelor's degree if applicable. At least 2 academic reference letters from professors who have taught you most recently. Number of reference letter depends from university to university. If you have work experience, then 2 letters of recommendations from the employer, from the manager who knows you well and can comment on your professional abilities. Statement of purpose, SOP, resume, essays if demanded by the university. Photocopied scored reports of GMAT, GRE, IELTS, TOEFL and portfolio. In case of students applying for art and design courses and architecture programs and other certificates, other achievements at the state and national level and extracurricular activities and proof of funds. So, if you want to ask anything else, you can send me comment in comment box and you can share your profile on our WhatsApp number 99146 15605. Our counselors will try their best to send you proper details and will guide you systematically and properly. And this is free of cost service for you for guidance. Don't worry, we don't take any kind of charge from you. Thank you so much.